Titan 7 wheels, carbon fiber wing. We got a front lip from Project Aero with carbon fiber on it, which I think really makes the front look a heck of a lot more aggressive. Car's pretty dang clean. But yes, we got our package, so let's get back home and get this thing installed. All right, we got the car parked, and I think this is where we're gonna do the install. Here is the package, genuine Honda product, so let's get this baby installed. So basically what this is this matches the carbon fiber wing. It matches the carbon fiber console. If you guys are interested, I believe that's the part number right there. All right, let's get this other one installed and we can be done. Yeah, this is a piece I'd been wanting for a long time, but it had always been on back order. So to be able to finally install it and get it on, it just feels nice, because I'm sure this piece, a lot of these genuine Honda pieces for this car will be a lot like the S2000, where down the road they don't make any anymore and they're going to be super expensive. Like the S2000 hardtop would be another one I would think of. I remember when I got my S2000 back in 2011, the hardtops were only a few $1,000s, and now they go for a ridiculous price for the, you know, the OEM style, or the actual OEM hardtop from Honda. Boom, just like that. Pretty easy. All right, looks pretty good. Can't wait to see what that looks like at night with the red light, even though it'll be pretty hard to see. And again, that goes with the three pieces. So the extra piece would go right down here, but I don't know if I'll ever end up getting that one because it's not cheap. And right now with tariffs, everything's ridiculous. But I like how this looks. The JDM front console, and now the door stills, looking fresh, guys. Okay, now from the interior perspective. Beautiful carbon fiber. All right, here's another look of the carbon fiber door stills from Honda, genuine, matching with the front console, the carbon fiber wing. Love it. Looking amazing. All right, guys, thanks for watching. All right, guys, so we have the factory door panel. Nothing, no carbon fiber, nothing to match it. And then we go ahead to the other side. We have the beautiful carbon fiber wing. We have the awesome carbon fiber console from Honda, super shiny. And now we have the carbon fiber door. Short drive to the store to pick up my package.